Apologies there for the break in proceedings and in the video. I didn't realise, but my battery went flat during the recording. So I'm having to splice this little bit in to explain what I did next. Where were we? Quick recap. I was at pulling the plug, the mushroom through, and I was trying to see if it would pull all the way out. It wouldn't. I got that 2 inches, tried to pull further, and it just was solid. It just wouldn't come. So I'm quite happy that that is sealed and is okay until I get it checked by a proper tyre technician. Right, what did I do after that? The instructions tell you to next part is inflate the tyre, and as I've got my own 12 volt system there, I plugged my pump into the bike and pumped it up to the recommended tyre pressure. After I've done that, then it tells you to take a knife and cut the excess shaft of the plug that's sticking out and cut it flush with the tyre. You can probably see by the little bit of fluid, the staining there, is I got some washing up liquid, watered it down, poured it on to see if there was any bubbles. Now I'll tell you what, as I'm here and we're at it, I'll do it again to see if we do get any bubbles. Oh, that. Pour that on, get it in focus if I can. There we are. And no bubbles. So I'm happy with that. That's holding pressure. Okay, I will leave that now for 24 hours. I'll check the tyre pressure again in tomorrow. I'll take it for a bit of a spin. And then take it to a tyre technician to get it checked. If once I've taken the wheel off, had a look inside, if they're happy, we'll leave it as it. If not, we'll take it out and I'll let them put their own repair in it and call this, as it was, an emergency get me home repair. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's informative, and please feel free to drop me any questions and I'll be happy to answer them. So that was a video of Stop and Go's the tyre plugger. If you're happy, you like my channel, even though I'm very rarely on it, subscribe, because I'll try my best to do some more videos, especially ones of me track bikes and other DIY projects like on my cars and garden and things like that. Well, thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.